Introducing Echo Frames, eyeglasses that let you take Alexa with you.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Your next event is Coffee with Rebecca at 9 a.m.
Echo Frames direct sound straight to your ears so you can discreetly hear Alexa. And with no cameras or displays, you're free to see the world around you. They work with your phone and are controlled by your voice, helping you get things done without getting in your way.
Alexa, call Jamie. Got the raspberries?
They're on the way.
Perfect.
Echo Frames are designed around your privacy. You can turn off the microphone anytime. Never miss what's important. With VIP Filter, you choose the notifications Alexa reads to you and which ones stay on your phone.
Message from Ethan. Swipe for more. Change of plans. Meet me at the trailhead in 20 minutes.
Get the weather, news, or settle an important debate.
The fastest slapshot ever recorded was 110.3 miles per hour.
So was I right?
You're right.
Knew it.
Play a little music or your favorite podcast without missing a beat.
Alexa, resume my podcast.
Okay.
Just ask to check your calendar, manage your to-do list, or add a new favorite spot.
Alexa, add Rinzu Sushi to our favorite restaurant list.
Alexa can even help you capture a moment of inspiration.
Alexa, remind me to try a faster tempo when I get to work.
Okay, I'll remind you at work.
Alexa, turn on the patio lights.
Echo Frames and Alexa keep you in the moment, so you never miss it.
Glasses have always helped us master light. They bend it, focus it, shield us from it. But these are not your standard glasses. They have a light of their own. A light that connects you to the people you care about, gets you where you need to go, and helps you prioritize the things that matter. Technology that's there when you need it, gone when you don't, hidden by design. Introducing Focals by North, your smartest pair of glasses.
Introducing the Think Reality A3, the most versatile enterprise smart glasses ever.
Introducing Vuzix, next-generation smart glasses technology. A sleek exterior leads to a tech-rich interior, delivering style and substance with a trendy, comfortable design, combining easy wearability with even greater utility for an enhanced connected mobile experience with fully wireless connectivity. They're made even more dynamic with the added dimension of their ultra-slim, single-layer, see-through binocular waveguides. Powered by a pair of tiny, highly efficient micro-LED projectors, they generate crisp video into the advanced waveguide optics that are viewable indoors and out for heads-up contextual information. Both monochrome and full-color RGB HD+ solutions are in development. And at 1 micron in size, the micro-LEDs have one of the highest density pixel arrays available. From sight, we move to sound, with multiple noise-canceling microphones for flawless phone calls and voice UI integration. Forget your uncomfortable earbuds. With acoustic chambers fully integrated into the frames, we deliver clear stereo targeted over the ears for privacy without losing ambient sound around the wearer. Enhancing hands-free operation, the onboard processor wirelessly communicates with your phone. Use your voice or tap on the touch-sensitive arm to activate the displays, allowing discreet connectivity to the world. And with longer-lasting battery life, the glasses are ready when you are. Style and substance never looked this smart.